In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning posters using Canva, a powerful and user-friendly graphic design tool. Whether you're designing a poster for an event, a marketing campaign, or just for fun, Canva makes it easy to bring your vision to life with professional quality results. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and free. Once you're all set, head over to the Canva homepage. Here, you'll notice a lot of design options, but for today, we're focusing on poster creation. Look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Create a Design button. This is where you can begin the process of crafting your poster. Next, in the search bar, type in poster and hit enter. This will bring up a range of pre-sized options tailored specifically for poster designs, ensuring your project has the right dimensions for printing or digital sharing. Once you've searched for posters, click on Templates to see Canva's extensive library of poster designs. This is where the magic happens. With thousands of templates to choose from, you're bound to find one that fits your style and theme. Take your time browsing through the options, and when you find a template that catches your eye, simply click on it to select. Now that you've chosen a design, it's time to personalize it. This is where you can let your creativity take the wheel. You can customize almost every element of the template, from text to images, colors, and fonts. To edit the text, just click on it and start typing. For images, you can replace them with your own photos by uploading them directly from your computer. Don't forget to play around with the color palette to match your brand or personal style. Once you've finished customizing your poster, take a moment to review your design. Ensure everything looks just right and that all the information is accurate. When you're happy with your creation, it's time to download and share it. Head to the top right corner and click on the Share button. From here, you can choose how you want to download your poster, as a PDF, PNG, or JPEG, depending on your needs. You can also share it directly on social media or via email if you prefer. Canva offers multiple options to ensure your poster reaches your audience in the best possible way. And there you have it. You've successfully created a beautiful professional-grade poster using Canva. With practice, you'll find that designing with Canva not only enhances your creative projects, but also makes the process enjoyable and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.